time season. Football season is here, game day food is here, so I'm trying one in my crock pot, and it's Hamburger Cheese Dip. It sounds good, and it's got all kinds of good stuff in there, and I get to put it in my crock pot and not have to worry about tending to it. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I hope you're doing great. So without further ado, let's get started.
For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of ground beef, browned and crumbled into small pieces. You'll need a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of chopped green peppers, 3/4 cup of chopped onion, a can of tomato sauce, a 4-ounce can of diced green chilies, tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 pound of Velveeta cheese cubed, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and red pepper to taste. And when I cooked my meat, I also added onion and garlic, salt and pepper, and seasoned salt.
Now to your hamburger meat in your crock pot, you want to add your salt, your green peppers, your onion, your 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, your 4-ounce can of chopped green chilies, your Worcestershire, and your brown sugar. And you want to give it a good stir, and you want to cook it on low for 2 to 3 hours. And in the last hour, we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Also, drain your hamburger meat if you need to. This was lean, I didn't have to. And my crock pot cooks pretty fast, so I just cooked it for about 2 hours. So now I'm gonna add, after an hour of cooking in the crock pot, I'm adding my cubed Velveeta, my paprika, and my red pepper to taste. And then I'm going to stir it up really well, put my lid back on, and let it cook for another hour. After the next hour, this is what I got, and it was really good. My family loved it. They really enjoyed this. We love the game day food. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Try this out. I think you'll like it. And until next time, bye y'all.